Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be working on this 1971 Mustang Mach 1. I'm so excited to get started on this sucker. It's been so long. I've had this thing for like 5 years. Haven't been able to actually do any work to it in the past 2 to 3 years. So now I'm ready to go. Let's get started on this thing. Do me a favor. If you're new here and you like the content, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to like and share as well, and hit that notification bell so that way you don't miss anything in the future. Now let's get into the video. Let's get started working on this thing, Jimmy.
All right, what do you want to start working on next, man?
I think we should stick this sucker on some wheel dollies so that way it'll be easy to move around. We got so much stuff to do. Interior needs some work, tons of stuff underneath the car. So I think wheel dollies will make it easy to move around if we need to move it around, get more room to work. So let's get started on that first. Bad news, we got a flat tire. The good news is, it's a slow leak. I've known about it, I just forgot. So I'm gonna go get the compressor and let's pump this sucker up so we can get these other 2 dollies under it. Dang, that's so much easier. Why didn't we do that before? Tell me, why didn't we do that before? All right, that is the way to go. If you don't have yourself some wheel dollies, get you some wheel dollies. So what's next? We have tons of parts. We have nowhere to put them. So I think we're gonna be building some shelves. That's next. If you made it this far, I bet you're wondering how I got this shirt. I wish that I could say that we're getting ready to start selling this merch because I love this hoodie. It's so comfortable. But my beautiful wife and daughter got it for me for Christmas and I absolutely love it. I would love to be able to start making this merch for you guys, but if you like and share and subscribe enough, maybe we'll get there one day, but not right now. Yeah, I know. We filmed the building of the shelves a while back, but we still wanted to show you the process. That's why we threw in the video. Now we need to put everything on the shelves. We need to organize all of our junk, all of our parts. So we're gonna put everything in sections for like front, interior, rear of the car, underneath the car. So we're gonna put it all together. You wanna show them the shelves?
Yeah, let me
These things look pretty nice. I like them. Not bad at all for a bunch of idiots that can't build anything. We're not professionals. We just like doing what we're doing.
I think that's your secret bed. Are you gonna climb up there and take a nap?
I think I did. I think I did in the other video, but we'll do it again. You want the top bunk or the bottom bunk, Jimmy?
I'll take the top.
All right. Okay. Come on, Blue. Come on. Jump up, up. Oh, okay.
Hey, if you see this little thing hanging out, You know, we don't properly have the power run yet. We got kind of makeshifted.
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 Yeah, we have the electrician coming in a couple weeks. So we scheduled him. We're going to wire everything up in this place, have perfect power instead of having to run all this junk extension cords all over the place. It's really driving me nuts, but we're going to get it done. And so we'll be ready to go. We're also going to be getting something else for the garage, which I will not tell you about because stay tuned for that. That's going to do it for today's video. Thanks for joining. We're finally getting started on this 1971 Mustang. I can't be happier. I'm so excited because this is my dream car. So again, if you enjoyed today's video, make sure you hit that like, share, and subscribe button and hit that notification bell so that way you don't miss anything in the future. So with that said, God bless you and God bless America. Be empowered out. See you next time.